Welcome. So today we'll be finding out percents of a number, and we'll also be finding what percent of a number is another number. Okay, so what is a percent? A percent is just a number. Like however you say it, a percent will always just be a number. So 97% is the same thing as 97 over 100, and that's going to be the same thing as 0.97. They're all the same. Okay. Now, before we get to some practice, let's just know, whenever you see of, the big of, you will multiply somewhere in the problem. Just to let you know. Now let's start some practice. What's 35% of 240? So we have the big of here. So let's take 35%. So I'm just going to rewrite that as 0.35 and multiply that by 240. Now, if your teacher's nice, you can use a calculator. So just do 0.35 times 240. That'll give you 84. There's your answer. Now, for the second one, 16% of 30. I'll use a different method. You could also do 16 over 100 times 30. Now with this one, you could take this 0, take away that 0, just to make your problem a little easier. Then you could further simplify this by saying this is 8 and this is 5. What's 8 times 3? That would be 24 over 5. And then 24 over 5 is 4.8. So there's your answer. Okay. Here are some shortcuts now. 10% of any number, just move the decimal one place to the left. So what does that mean? If you have a number, let's just say 65, to find 10% of 65, the decimal is right here, just to let you know. Move the decimal over here. So your answer would be 6.5. To find 1%, you'd do it twice, so you'd end up with 0.65. So there you go. Now, for the next type of problem, what percent of 50 is 13? So you know that 50 is your big number and 13 is the number you need to get. So some percent, so let's just say like your percent at the decimal, let's just say x, you'd multiply it by 50 and then you would get 13. So now, since this is your standard problem, all you have to do is just solve for x. So then x would equal 13 over 50. Now if you need it in a decimal, just put that in your calculator and you will get x equals 0.26 or 26%. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.